Want to light up your HyperX keyboard? It's simple. Just plug it into your Windows 7 Plus or macOS 10.14 Plus device via USB. The RGB lighting should activate automatically with default settings. If it doesn't, or to customize it, download the HyperX NGENUITY software version 4.1 for free from the HyperX website. This software provides full RGB control, including preset lighting profiles and custom color schemes. Many keyboards also have onboard hardware controls, like a lighting key for quick effect toggles. Genuity unlocks the full potential of your HyperX keyboard's RGB. Use it to choose from lighting profiles like wave, ripple, or static. Customize individual key colors, brightness, and effect speeds using the color picker. The software also allows you to create and save custom profiles, sync lighting with other HyperX peripherals, and even integrate with games like Fortnite or Valorant for real-time effects. Also, make sure your NGENUITY software is up to date so you can take advantage of the smart sync features, allowing lighting to react to audio cues or system performance. Don't forget to explore cloud syncing to manage your profiles across multiple devices.